I don't have money. What should I do?
Hey, don't worry, I have something for you. See this website for work from home.
Wait, do I have to pay any fees for this?
No way, it's completely free. Let me explain you registration process. Click on install and download the app. Allow all the mandatory access. You can read or skip the introduction as per your wish. Then give next. Now you have a registration screen. Enter your valid mobile number and click on register for further process. Now enter your details like email ID, referral code and UPI ID. Referral code and UPI ID is optional. You can enter it if you have it. Then mark the terms and condition and submit. Congratulations friend, now you are successfully registered in app. After registration, do not forget to save company's number. Happy earning!
Click on search and install task. Check all the tasks available for install. Click on search and install button of any from task given. Copy the application name given. Click on search and install. Paste the app name in search bar and find the appropriate app. Click on install. Wait until your app gets downloaded. Do not open an app from here. Go back to main application Real Cash Money. Click on open application. Use the app for 90 seconds. Then go back to the main application Real Cash Money. You will get 1000 points for your task. Click on collect to collect your received points. You can earn more points from this app. Click on installed option. You have list of pending app open task. Like this you can earn daily from one install. Click on review task. Check all the tasks available for reviews. Click on review button of any from task given. Scroll your screen to bottom. Copy the review template. Click on open Play Store. It will direct you to the Google Play Store. Rate the app with 5 stars. Paste your copied template in a review box. In this you can write a review by yourself also. Do not forget to take screenshot of your review from typing box. Now go back to main app. Here you have to upload both the screenshots taken by you. Click on select. Select the first screenshot captured. For second one, again click on select and select the second screenshot. To upload your screenshot in app, click on submit. You will get message of screenshot uploaded successfully. Click on OK. Now you can see your reviewed app in review option. After an approval from admin side, your review approval task got completed.
You will get 5000 points for each approved review.
Click on download app task. Check all the tasks available for download. Click on install button of any from task given. Scroll your screen to bottom. Check on install. It will direct you to the Google Play Store for installing an app. Click on install. Wait until your app gets downloaded. Do not open an app from here. Go back to the main application Real Cash Money. Click on open application. Use the app for 90 seconds. Then go back to the main application Real Cash Money.
For each app install and open, you will get 1000 points.
Click on collect to collect your received points for an app download. You can earn more points from this app. Click on installed option. You have list of pending app. Open task. For this, you have to open this app up to given days for 90 seconds from main application Real Cash Money. Click on view, install and earn. Click on today's task list. Check all the tasks available for install. Click on any of app from task given. Tap on keyword to copy. Click on search and install. Paste the app name in search bar and find the appropriate app same as app icon. Click on install. Wait until your app gets downloaded. Do not open an app from here. Go back to main app Real Cash Money. Again go to today's task list. You can have CID task here.
You will get 200 points for click, 100 points for impression and 500 points daily for app open from download.
To activate your task, click on activate now. You will have message activated successfully on your screen. Go to the app installed for task completion. You have to watch ads until timer shown for impression task. Also click on install button of ads showing for click task. You have to download the app from ads showing in app to complete the download task. After that, you go to back main application Real Cash Money and see you have done with same task and some are still remain. For completion of all the tasks, you have to click on activate now every time by refreshing the CID task screen. To check the status of your click task, open the approval status by add. Upload status and earn money. This is the most easiest task among all. Exactly as per the name, you just have to put status which help you to earn money. Upload your status. Your status can be checked by company anytime within 24 hours. After checking,
You will get 3000 points for each paid status. But remember, your free post should be approved by an admin. Then your paid status points will be credited in your app's wallet.
wait until you will get 30 plus views in your status. To upload your screenshot in your app, click on view and capture. Then click on take screenshot button. Click on start now. At right bottom, there is a screenshot capturing icon. Click on that button. You will get message of image captured successfully.
Referral plan is the highest earning offer among all. To invite your friend, click on invite friends from app menu. It will direct you to your contacts. If you refer at least your one friend, then it will lead you to the income of 7 level refers. You will get points at every earning of your friend. For example, if your friend earns at least 100 rupees, then you will get 25,000 points at first level, 10,000 points at second level and so on. Hurry up friends, increase your bank balance with one click of referral plan.
Click on apps menu. 3 lines on the top left corner of the app. Click on my wallet.
Here for withdrawal 10% is the transaction charge on each 1000 points. So for minimum withdrawal of ₹1 you need 1100 points in your app wallet because 1000 point is equal to ₹1.
Now click on request for withdrawal. Enter the valid points for redeem. You will get message of your request successfully. That means you have completely proceeded the instant Paytm withdraw from Real Cash Money.